still? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you in Canada. No, it's only a joke. C'est une blague.
Yeah.
Okay, what I will do, you see, it's a real deal. It don't belong to me. It belongs to Mr. Okay. What I will do, I will do something like, uh-oh, a hole in the bill. Okay. You want to see something very mysterious?
Yeah, of course.
Very, very mysterious. Watch out. 3, 2, 1. What? I don't understand. Okay, I would like to make a sketch of you. Okay, come here, just here in the center.
Make the handsome one.
Okay, okay. You know, I have a photographic memory. When I see somebody, I will remember him all my life. If you go there like photography, you know?
Okay.
I see like this with my big eyes. Click. Okay, now I will make a sketch. This is it's a postcard with my website. When you will have time, if you have access to a website or computer, sometimes I have problem to design sketch like people I don't really know, like you know. I always recognize myself, you know.
Okay, thank you. Terima kasih.
Yeah, but if you want, I will finish on your face with my eyes. You don't want it?
No.
Okay, this is for you.
Terima
When-
kasih. So we can.
Yeah, see this on my WhatsApp. I have an email too. And if you want, I will send you some email. You will remember Parisi.
Okay.
Thank you. See you.
Terima kasih.
It's the first time I do in here in Bali. Hold on. I will take this. Put it like this. I will do like this. I don't know if you will recognize the song. It's a great song. A guy's name is Robert Houdin. Make in France and Paris des automates, mechanical thing like this. Many years ago, you will see. What a wonderful world. You know the song?
Yeah.
It's Louis Armstrong, you know? Eat this. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Thank you.
The plane arrived. The plane arrived. The plane arrived at Bali. I never said it was Bali. I never said it was. I never said it was Bali. C'est bien, c'est bon, c'est beau. Bali, c'est bien, c'est bon, c'est bien, c'est bon. Bali. Nous sommes très loin de toi. Nous sommes très, Québec,
Oh,
Canada.
I'm Rihanna.
French part.
I make a documentary, and I shoot a lot of things like this for fun. Thank you. My beautiful body. I'm alive?
Yeah, you're alive. Oh, that's great. That's great. How can I do that?
It's possible to you to keep the secret? Yes, you will keep the secret?
Yeah.
Okay, me too.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, doctor. I will stay alive?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup.
De rien.